Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to create a small program that converts a binary number to a decimal number in Python. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a function. Let's call this binary underscore 2 int, and we'll take in a binary number. And we want to make sure that someone has entered this in as a string first. So we'll say if is instance binary, it's an instance of an integer. We'll create this variable, we'll call it binary underscore str for binary string equals string version. Well, we'll use type conversion, so we'll pass it into the string function of binary, right? So we're going to make it a string. Otherwise, we'll just say binary underscore str equals binary. Okay. Now, there could be things with this program that might throw it off, like if you tried to enter a float or something. But I'll leave that up to you to work on that. But if someone just actually puts in an actual number, like in this program, like we just call the function with an actual number that is binary, then this would convert it. Eventually in this program, we're going to get so where we just take in the user input. Okay, so the way we convert, so converting, let's make a note here, converting from binary to decimal. And let's use this example, binary number 11101. What we would do is we'd take the rightmost digit, so 1, we'd multiply by 2 to the 0 power, then we add the next digit 0 times 2 to the first power, then we add the next digit 1 times 2 to the second power, and then we add the next digit 1 times 2 to the third power, and we'd go up till we're done with the digits there, so 1 times 2 to the fourth. So if we do that out, 1 times 2 to the 0 is 1 times 1, so we have 1 plus 0 plus 4, 1 times 2 squared, plus 8, and then plus 16. Okay, so if we do that out, we get 29 for this binary number, which is what you should get. You can test it out in a binary to decimal converter online if you want. So we have to figure out how we're going to do that. And so what we want to do is we probably want to loop through the string in reverse order. So what we could do is we could say for digit in, and it's going to be a string, so digit string in let's say reversed. We can use reversed, pass in the binary string here. Okay, what we want to do is we want to start, and let's go above here. We want to have a power, and we'll set the power equal to 0, right? And then what we want to do is we also want to have a decimal. We're going to convert this into a decimal. We want to add these things on. So we'll start with the decimal at 0. So we're going to say decimal. Well, actually first we're going to say digit equals the integer version of the digit string, right? And then we'll say decimal, and we'll do plus equals digit times, and then we'll do 2 raised to whatever the power is at this point. And then the power is going to increment every time we do this. We're going to start with 0, but we want to make sure the power increments by 1 each time. So do power plus equals 1 at the end of this loop. And then we'll return the decimal number. That'll be the actual decimal. So let's make sure that this is working. So if I print, let's do binary to integer, and we'll pass in 11101. Okay, so we're passing in, right now we're passing in a, this is a number, right? It's an instance of an integer, really. So it's going to convert it to a string, hopefully, if we've done everything right, and then run through and return the decimal amount, which should be 29, Let's run it. And we get 29. So it's working all good. Now let's put this in as a string. Okay, and let's run it again. And we get still 29. Okay, so what we want to do is now maybe make this into a program. And what we'll do is we'll say while true, well, first off, let's introduce people to the program. So print this program converts binary numbers to decimals. And then we'll go into our while loop and we'll say, so let's take in a binary number and we'll do it as an input. And we'll say, please enter a binary number. And then they'll enter in a number. And then we'll print something out. We'll print something, maybe we'll do an F string. We'll say the decimal version of the binary number, and let's pass in the binary number here, is, and then we'll call the function binary to int, and we'll pass in the binary number. And let's put a period here. And then we'll have something like, we want to be able to break out. And we'll say something like if input, and we can do you want to enter another binary number? And we'll just have y/n question mark. If that does not equal y, then we will break from the loop. Okay. So let's try this now, and let's go. Let's see. So it says this program converts binary numbers to decimals. Enter in a binary number. Let's do 5 ones. Yeah. Okay. The decimal version of the binary number 1111 is 31. Do I want to enter another one? Yes. Let's do 11101. Okay, that should be 29. Do I want to enter another one? No. Okay, and we exit. And maybe at the end, to make this user friendly, what I do is I'll just print, thank you for using the binary number converter. Have a nice day. Okay, so let's test it one more time. And I'm going to show you something that happens here. So enter a binary number. Let's do 12011. You might be going, hey, that's not a binary number. But it takes it in and it says it's 35. So I want to break out of this program, so I can say no. And what we want to do is we want to check that they've actually entered a binary number. So let's say something like 4. Let's say 4 number in binary number. So we're going to go through each of these. If binary number is greater than 1, let's do if the integer of the binary number is greater than 1, or the integer of the binary number is less than 0, then we'll print something like you did not enter a binary number. Okay, and then right after that, let's continue. Okay, and let's try this out. Okay, so now let's run it. Let's enter in 12011. So it says you did not enter a binary number, but it keeps going through it. So we want to get out of that. Let's set a Boolean. We'll say keep going equals to true. Okay, and then we'll break out of the for loop, okay? But before we break out of the for loop, what we're going to do is we're going to say keep going equals false. And then we can do something like if keep going equals false. Now we can break, okay? And I think, let's see, IntelliJ is telling me I can simplify this. Yeah, if not, keep going, break. Okay, let's try it now. Let's stop this and rerun the program. Okay, so enter a binary number, 12011. Okay, you did not enter a binary number. Thank you for using the binary converter. Have a nice day. And I don't want break here, I want continue. Okay, so now let's run it again. Okay, let's try 12011. You did not enter a binary number. Please enter a binary number. Okay, so that's what I want. So let's do 11001, which I think is 25. Okay, and now it's saying you did not enter a binary number. Okay, so I want and here. Stop it. Run it. So 12011. Okay. No, we don't want and. That's not going to work. I want or. Okay, or if it's greater than 1 or less than 0, let's stop it. Let's run it. So again, let's do 11101. You did not enter a binary number. Let's stop it. Okay, so what is going on here? This number and binary number. Okay, so I have binary number. I just have to have number. I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, so let's run this again. All right, enter in a binary number. So let's do one that's not a binary. So you didn't enter a binary number. So let's do 11001. Okay, it's 25. You want to enter another one? Sure. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's like, no, you definitely didn't enter a binary number. Let's do 11101. Okay, it's 29. Do you want to enter another one? No. Good. Thank you for using the binary number converter. Have a nice day. Now, there are certainly some other places where this program could get messed up, like if you entered in a float or something like that. I'll leave that up to you to enhance this program if you want. Hopefully you did learn something and had a little bit of fun making this program. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.